guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika and today I have a huge Writech haul of pens. So we got the dual colors, the liquid roller gels, the vintage gel pens, which are retractable. These are really cute. More liquid roller gels and the retractable highlighters, and I can't wait to swatch all of these for you. So I'm gonna try to make it, short but good. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. So let's begin by the beginning. This sports a very sexy and sleek design, rounded corners, perfect for perfect grip. It's very comfortable to hold and use. It has a very convenient clip for your pocket, so you can keep in your pocket the highlighters you use most frequently. And it has a chisel tip, and of course, as I said at the beginning of the video, it is retractable. When it comes to the nib, this is where it gets more interesting, because it's I don't know if you can appreciate it. There is a retractable nib, but it has a system. Did you see there? I'm doing it really slowly. So the tip comes out, but this system prevents the highlighter from drying out, so no risk of getting your markers dry. And I really love doing this. It has a very nice click to it. Can you hear it? I really love that. So that's about the body and the tip of the pen. Now for the back of the case, says that it's retractable, no cap to lose, no bleed, and smear resistant, perfect for taking notes, highlighting, journaling, drawing, and more. So I want to try the bleeding and the smearing test, and also they claim that is that it dries fast on the paper. So let's do it. Yeah, it does dry fast. That was fast. Now I'm trying to show you, but there is no bleed through actually. And this paper is HP Premium 32, the paper that I use for most of my brush pens. Now I would like to try on regular printer paper. Also dries fast, and there we maybe can see a little bit of a shadow here, but it's very tiny. So still, on a regular printer paper, which is not the best quality ever, it will show no ghosting. So if you're using this for journaling and you have a journal that you usually have problems with because everything bleeds through the other page, these highlighters are gonna be good for that. Also, I see people who do Bible journaling feeling good with it. So now let's try it somewhere else. Let me get my super experimental journal here. This is where I practice everything, and I put everything that I want to do on my actual journal, so I do it here first. So by the way, this is something I did with these highlighters. This is the sketch. I wanted to do it like this for the August month. All of this is done with these highlighters, just in case you want to know. The colors are great. But now, look at this. I did this with the highlighters, and I passed like more than once. And let me show you. The purple one bled through a little bit because I left the pen on. When you do this, since they are so juicy, you see how juicy they are when you leave them on, like you don't take them off the paper quickly. So that's what I did there. I got distracted and I was like, ugh. So it bled through. But the other parts, you barely see it. For a part where I just did it so much, it's barely nothing. But I'm gonna do the test again with another pen. Oops. Okay. So let's continue. You see, barely there, a little bit of ghosting, nothing fancy, nothing too bad. Now I'm gonna do it like I did before. And you see, I don't know too many highlighters in which you can do this in such a cheap paper and still get this so minimal ghosting through or bleeding through. So really, they passed the test on that. I'm not planning to leave here without showing you swatches. Yeah, let's do swatches. The vintage color gel pens are really great pens for journaling, for taking notes at class or anything like that, especially because I have noticed this brand is very well curated when it comes to color collections. So if you have an aesthetic when it comes to colors and how you like your journaling and note taking, you're gonna find your colors in here. And they come with a little silicone thingy on the tip, so they make sure you receive a working pen that is not dry, that is very well protected. You can unlock the tip by pressing the clip that you put on your pocket, which is really nice. When you take it with your pocket, it will retract, and the shades are really cute. As I told you, if you tend to go for a specific set of colors, the collections among this line or this brand of markers are very cohesive. So you can try these gel pens or the roller gel pens, and still you're gonna find like a family of colors that is gonna match your aesthetic. That's something that I really like and enjoy about this Writech brand right now. So now I'm gonna be swatching the same gel pens, but this time it's a second set of vintage colors that are into like the pastel side more of it, and they are gorgeous pens. I think from all the vintage that I have tried, honestly this set is my favorite because the colors are very delicate and it has such a cute yummy aesthetic to it. So I see myself using them for note taking a lot, especially now that I'm gonna start studying again, so they're gonna come very handy to spice up my notes. Liquid roller pens. This is another variety of liquid roller gel pens they have. These are really cute. The colors are vivid and vibrant, and they are very juicy. Unlike the ones that I showed you on my previous Writech video, you can see the ink in the barrel, which I find really attractive in a marker. Don't ask me why. But I'm loving this shade so far and how easy and smooth they write on paper. This is another set of liquid roller pens, and they are very similar to the previous one, but these are vintage shades. You can also see the ink in the barrel, and the colors are different, a little bit less vibrant, more muted, but this is because it's a vintage set. So as I told you before, you have here enough colors to create whatever aesthetic you have in mind for your note taking, which I find really great. The dual ones have two colors in them, one that is the ink and another one that is black, so you can switch them with the little thingies on the sides. You switch from one pen to the other, and I see these a lot being used by people who are sure that they are gonna keep their notes in two colors, the same two shades, black and blue or black and orange. So instead of changing colors, they just switch that one same pen, and they have two colors already there to do their notes quickly, which is really cool, a nice touch. Well guys, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because this channel needs a lot of love. And stay tuned for the next ones. I'm gonna be uploading a video a week, or at least I'm doing the purpose to do so. I have a ton of videos to edit, like buckets of videos to edit, so stay tuned for all of that, because they're coming slowly, but they're coming. So nada, thank you for being here. So see you on the next one.